Hey everyone, I am Ranjan Burman. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn to write your first C++ program using Dev C++ compiler. So let's start. First we have to open our Dev C++ compiler. Here we will go to files, then new, then source file, or we can also type Ctrl plus N together to open a source file. So here this is little different than a C program, so I'm going to write it. We also have to include library function here, that is has include this time iostream, and we will not write it like here .h in C program, that is old concept. Now the next line is using namespace std. So why I wrote this I will tell some time later. Then we have to write int main. So as we know, in our C program we used to write void main for a basic program. Here we are writing int main. So now, like C program, we will also start with second bracket, and then we will print a simple hello world message like cout hello world. Now we have to end this line with a semicolon, and that's it. We are good to go. I will show you some more. I will give you some more information, but before that I want to compile this, and then I will tell you some more methods how to write a C program, a simple C program. So here we have to save this file first. I am saving it on my desktop because I already have one hello world file in dev files, so I'm just simply saving it here on the desktop. And this time I will not change the save as type because this is already defined C++ source file, that is .cpp, .cc, .cxx, C++ or anything else. So I just give it a name like hello world and save. So now our this simple program has been saved, and now we will compile it. We can also compile it with just F9 button, or we can click here compile. So now we have to wait. Processing C++ source file. Sometimes it take longer than expected, so we have to wait it till it compiles our program. So okay, we have to wait, but I will give you some more advice. So in some cases you may have seen that to end a line, I mean at the end of the line, Okay, the compiling is done, so let me run the program, then I will advise something about this program. So there are zero errors, no warnings, and the file saved as helloworld.exe. So we will test run the program from outside, also from the desktop, the .exe, or from the .exe option, and also from here. So first let's test it from here. Run or press F10. It is executing. Okay, it has been executed. Hello world, and process exited after this at second, and return value 0. Look at here, return value 0, and the program has been terminated. That means if we double click on the desktop file, then it I mean we cannot hold the window. So let's press here, place it here. So let's click it from the outside. So this is our hello world program. We will double click on this file. The size is 1.30 MB. Okay, okay, my mom is calling, so I have to wait. Okay, sorry for interruption. My mom was calling and I could not respond because I was recording a video, by the way. So you saw the window. We could not stop the window. Like I'm clicking here again, like on the like this. I'm clicking here again, and you will see just a window. You could not see the results. So that's why I didn't give here any extra comments to hold the window. That is the fact. Sometimes you may have seen here one more line, like you have seen or you will see when you will write some C++ programs, like there is return 0. So this is an optional line that you can write, and like this is for the main. We have started with the main, so this is return 0 is for this main option, and we include it here only because some compilers accept it to be needed as the last line of the main function. So in dev C++, you if you remove this line, it doesn't matter, but when you will see some C++ coding anywhere else, then you may have seen or you will see this line return 0. So this option is for those compilers who need this line as the end of the line of main. So that's it. So we don't need it here. Now I will tell you why I am using namespace std, this line, what this line is for. So if I remove this line from here and save it and again compile it, then you will find some errors. Let's check it. So here are the errors. You see, in function int main, cout was not declared in this scope. So as we are using cout, so there we have if as we are not using namespace std, so here is a suggestion that is given to us, that std double colon cout. This way we have to write if we don't use, because this is the old concept. I'm writing it c std double colon and cout. So if I write this thing and I saved it, and again I will execute it, I will compile it first, and you will find no errors if I write it. So in a big program we need to write so many see out scenes and other see out scenes scene things. So we cannot just, I mean, write again and again this thing. So that was a shortcut. If you write here, if you declare at after the include part that using namespace std, then you don't have to write this thing again and again. So we are waiting till now as our program has not been processed. So it is processing C++ source file. So we have to wait. I don't know sometimes why it takes long time to compile a simple program. Okay, we are waiting. I think this is because of my machine has too many softwares. Okay, it is taking long time to compile the simple program. By the way, take it time, and as I told you, you can try it. Like you can remove the stdio, sorry, the remove the using namespace std part, and you when you will compile it, then without the this option std double colon option before cout or cin, you will find it error. So it is better to declare here using namespace std, and then yes, the program has been compiled and we found zero errors, zero warnings. So we can run it and there will be no problem. So you see there are no problem. But if we again remove this thing, so there will be problem, you saw that. So it's better to write using namespace std then semicolon, and this is the real option when you write your C++ program, and so that you don't have to write here again and again the std double colon part. So thank you for watching this video. If you got any question related this program, then you can simply leave a message in the description and I'll try to help you there. Thank you for watching.